Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. Today's tip is about protecting the interior of a vehicle during the repair process. Many of you may know that my company, Collision Advice, does a survey every quarterly called Who Pays for What? And one of the things we survey shops about is how often do you get paid from a third-party payer or reimbursed for things such as protecting the interior during the repair process, protecting the vehicle during the welding process, masking jams and openings. But you know what? Today what we're trying to talk about specifically is protecting the interior. You see, it's not uncommon for most shops, at least we hope you are, that you're putting a protective seat cover, a floor mat, or a steering wheel cover over the interior of the vehicle before you begin repairs. In addition, it's not uncommon that some people, if they have a convertible vehicle, they'll take a large piece of plastic from the paint shop and they'll protect the convertible top so it doesn't get dusty or dirty while it's in the collision repair facility. Ladies and gentlemen, anytime we take extra precaution to protect the vehicle during the repair process, it's a not included operation. But just to verify that, Danny, what are your thoughts on protecting the interior?
Absolutely, Mike. So one of the common things that as repairers we miss out on is not only every time that we protect the vehicle, but also the materials that are used associated to that protection stage, whether it's the interior disposable mats, the steering wheel covers, the seat covers, but also what about all that spark deflection paper that we're using and the tape, protecting the rotors and the calipers during the welding and grinding process. So there's many different variable stages that we're repairing vehicles, and we're not capturing the labor, but also the materials that are associated to that to protect the vehicle. It's much cheaper to buy the material than it is to replace the components of a vehicle as a result of damage. So I think it's definitely a great way to prevent damage to a vehicle, but also it's not included, and it's all defined in the P pages for all three estimating systems that additional masking is not included. And again, it's not part of the refinishing stages of a cover car. This is again during the repair stage that you may want to factor part of your repair planning process.
Great insights, Danny, and I appreciate that. One other thing to think about, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to make sure you caught on to what Danny said, and that is that we're not just talking about the labor, but we're also talking about the materials. So remember, protecting the vehicle interior during the repair process is a not included operation. Thanks for joining us today.